Hi, this is ensuite. We're almost complete. We're just waiting for the two vanity units that's going to go here. It'll match the wall unit, the matte grey wall unit here. And it's actually got the ceramic basins rather than just the stone. We've done all the walls. We've done with the Febo panels. It's a matte finish on the panel itself, easy kept clean. It's totally waterproof, and so there should be no problem there. We've put in the 1700 by 900 Myra tray, so it's a fair size tray. That cover at the end unclicks and you get right into the drain. And we've used the shower panel. The shower panel itself. The shower panel is a nice height, nice solid fixings at the end. It's got the support rail going across, and it's a nice profile, all screws hidden, and it's 8mm thick at the end, so it's a nice enclosure. We've used the Grohe Cosmopolitan square shower valve and trim set. This one here has actually got a diverter on it, so you turn it to the left, it'll work the spray, the handset spray, so we can wash everything down, and obviously to the right, you turn it to the right and it'll work the fixed head coming out. Now you can have all different kind of combinations of different things, but that's the main control here. Below that you've got the thermostatic valve, and this one, it's got a built-in manufacturer's safety device on it, so it'll only go to 12 o'clock unless you push the button in, then you can go past that, and when you come back again it'll click out at 12. So there's a lot of thought went into that. It's really good. The customer wanted a couple of recess boxes in the area just for the soap and shampoo, so that's actually worked in well, because this is the main duct coming up for all your services inside, so we managed to incorporate that space there. We've used the Grohe frame. It's a fantastic frame. It's got a built-in cistern, and it's got the two bolts that comes out and holds the WC set. And the cover, to get full access to the cistern, this cover itself just pushes slightly to the left. The cover will come off and you get right into the siphon, the ball valve, the whole lot. So it's a nice easy mechanism to flush the toilet. It's actually quite a nice style toilet. It's probably one of the better ones for the wall hung that we've seen. It's got a nice slim seat cover on it, concealed fixings, and it's got the soft close seat and cover as well. And it can click off. There's a button at the back of here you can push in, and the seat and cover will come off for just to clean everything. So it's actually pretty good. We've incorporated the PVC ceiling panels. This was just like an Arctic ceiling, and with this beam, this is a metal beam that goes all the way through the house. So it's finished off quite well with the ceiling panels, so just keeping the plain one below. There's a lot of work in it, but it's actually looks pretty smart, along with the LED lights. So there's 7 in total, but we've actually kept the one over the shower on a separate switch. So meaning at night time or whatever you come in, you can only turn on one light, you don't have to have them all on, and they are dimmable if you wanted. We've also got it wired up, so when there's a wall hung units, I'll take another wee video showing that. There's wall hung video showing the wall hung units, and there will be LED lights below each of the unit. There again, that is controlled from outside. So then again, at night time, you don't even have to have that single light over the shower. You can just have this little one, and there should be enough reflection on that just to come in to use the facilities. We've also ordered 2 mirrors the same width as the basin, 600 by 800, so that'll look quite smart. They'll be over the top of the basins there. And we've actually put in a shaver socket or a toothbrush charger inside the unit, so you can just power up your goods there. But it's a well finished off door. I like the contour of the door, the self close hinges. So it's a lot of thought went into that design. It's really good. We've actually put underfloor heating in this. This is Carnby flooring down, and if you look closely you'll actually see there's like tram lines. So this is the strips, slightly darker strips in between the floor, and it gives it more of an authentic look for like a wooden floor. I suppose we use that designer strips quite a lot on a tile one. This is the first time we've actually used it on a plank, and I'm really impressed with that. It looks pretty good. So the underfloor heating, so we use a cement insulating board that goes down, that gets glued down the whole floor, that gets left to set. Then we put the warm up system. Now this one here is what we call an 800 warm up system. It's spaced out 50mm. So we start at the beginning outside here, and we've just run a cable all the way up the perimeter. Then we've went across with 50mm space in each one, leaving 50mm away from the wall, all the way across, all the way down. So this is giving you a really nice cozy floor once it's done. We advise the customer to leave it 7 days before they turn it on, just to let the adhesive and everything dry out naturally. So yeah, they'll be really pleased with that. And we use the Tempo thermostat on the outside, which we can show you. So that works really well. We've used the 1700 by 600 chrome towel warmer. It's a nice piece of furniture. And we've repositioned the pipework into the wall. So unlike a lot of the rads and pipework you see, the pipes just come through the floor. That thermostatic valve, the pipework chrome pipe comes through, and you've got a lock shield one to the other side. It just finishes off quick. So you haven't really got it's a nice clean floor. When you see the basins on, the vanity units on, you've got the wall hung toilet, and even something as simple as the toilet brush and holder, you know, wall mounted. So all in all, it's a lovely ensuite. So yeah, but I'll give a wee update on the vanity units and the mirrors once we get them installed. Thanks for watching.